Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross with Stammer, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick overview of the entire process of how to white label AI chatbots for your customers. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been talking to dozens of business owners who have all had kind of the similar or same questions around how do I set this up? What does it look like to my customers? What does it look like to actually white label the platform for my customers? And all this type of information. So I created this step-by-step guide, and there will be a link to this interactive mind map down below that essentially showcases every step of the entire process, from checking out what Stammer even is to actually what it will look like to your end client. Essentially starting with the homepage of the website, because that's where most people will find us. So after you look at all the information on the website and you're interested in getting started, so when you click this button or open this link, you would get brought to the sign up page. So that's kind of what this mind map is explaining. So if you were to click start a free trial, you would get shown this sign up page. And so we can see that you can, on this sign up page, you have the ability to sign up with your Google account. Once you do that, you'll be able to log into the Stammer dashboard. And so that's what this view would look like. When you're in the Stammer dashboard, you now have the ability to take advantage. Even in the free trial, you can add your custom domain and your logos and everything to make it branded to your business or your agency. So that way you and potentially even some early customers are able to see that everything is branded to your agency to keep everything consistent. So if we go into the agency side of the platform under profile, we are able to add in the agency name, and site logo. I can click into here, I can click into profile, and you can see that I've added in SR Chatbot, and then I've added in a logo. You click update, all of that information is now available to be seen when you log into the white label side of the platform. After you've added your name and your logo, you can add in your custom domain. So this is under the agency custom domain section, where you can add in any subdomain that you'd like. So we've had people do app.yourdomain.com. We've had people do ai.whateveryourdomain.com. You can kind of do whatever you want based off of whatever subdomain that you create in the DNS settings. I know DNS can be kind of confusing, so don't worry if you're having some trouble with this. It should be relatively simple. All you really need to do is just add the one A record to that subdomain that you create in your DNS settings. And if you need help with this, there's a tutorial, there's a video here. And if you need further help, we can get on a call and our team can help set this up for you. So after you add in your custom domain, you can now log in to your version of the app. So for example, in this scenario, I've added in app.srchatbot.com. If I go to this new page, so now when I go to this URL, I can see that the URL has changed. The meta description and the logo have changed, all to reflect the white label side of the agency. Now I'm able to use and log into this account using the same login information that I used when I signed up for Stammer. When you log in to your version of the app, so in this case, app.srchatbot.com, you will now see that the logo and everything has been changed to reflect your white label brand that you've set up in the agency profile section. So now that you've set this up, you have a couple different options even on the free trial. So you can continue testing by creating a chatbot and testing it out and figuring out how the platform works. Or you could immediately sign up for a paid subscription, which will unlock the Stripe integration, which then allows you to create products within the platform that you can then send to your clients. So we'll take a look at what that looks like right now. So for example, if I'm on one of the paid plans, for example, the agency plan, I now have the ability to go and connect my Stripe account. So once your Stripe is connected, you have the ability to now create the products in your Stripe that will then create actions for your white label platform. So for example, when a user goes to one of your products and purchases one of the products, a sub account will automatically be created. A chatbot and message credits will be automatically allocated to that new sub account. You'll be notified and the client will be notified. So everything is consistent. And so to create one of those subscription packages, you can go into agency under subscription packages and then create a subscription package. Now we also allow you to create packages for selling or reselling additional chatbots and additional credits. So for example, we charge for additional message credits in packs, and you can kind of create that for your own clients. For example, we charge, I believe $100 is like 35,000 credits. So that works out to 0.003 cents a message. So what you could do is you could charge 1 cent per message, and essentially you're 3xing that cost to your client. So you would charge $300 for 35,000 credits. And then that's what your customers would end up seeing. They would be paying you $300 for 35,000 credits, and then you'd be paying us only $100. So you'd be making $200 on that package. So we can go in here and create a new subscription package. And this is where you can customize your subscription package for your agency. So you can name it whatever you want. You can price it to whatever you want. You can add as many chatbots and as many credits as you want for the 3 different tiers that we offer. So there's a basic, a pro, and a premium level accounts to kind of help mimic the 3 different tiers that we have on our website. But again, you can add as many chatbots and as many credits as you want to any of these packages. And so what will happen is you have an agency pool of available chatbots and available message credits. And when a user purchases one of these subscription packages, that quantity of chatbots and credits that you have allocated in this flow right here, or in this form right here, will then be automatically deducted from your agency pool and be given to that new sub account and to that user. And this all happens automatically, so you don't have to worry about creating a new sub account or assigning new chatbots or credits. All of that will happen automatically upon the purchase confirmation when your client purchases from one of these packages on your Stripe. So after you've created one of these packages, you have the ability to get a package link. And this will be a white labeled payment link that will direct users to your Stripe checkout link. So if I was to open up this link, it's going to bring me to a Stripe page where I could then check out. As a user, what would happen is a new sub account would be created. I would then get notified. And then when I log in, I would see a view similar to this, where I don't have any of the agency settings. I only have the ability to create chatbots and edit them, view them, interact with them, and all of that information. I can edit it, I can update and add more data sources and information to make the bot better. But the idea here is now I have, as a customer or as one of your end users, I only have limited access to see whatever it is that I was allocated at, from that package that you've created. As an admin, you now have the ability to go into different sub accounts and come back out, switch back out to agency view to be able to see all of your different sub accounts and the bots that were created within those different sub accounts. So we can see in here, this is where the white label link comes up. The user gets sent to the Stripe link, and on purchase confirmation, they get sent to the sub account page where they are now able to edit and manage their AI chatbots. So from a user's point of view, they're just essentially going to your website, they're clicking on a link, they're then purchasing from Stripe, and then immediately being redirected to your white label dashboard where they can then log in via the information that will be delivered to their email address via the white labeled AI email sender. So the idea here is we tried to make this process as simple as we could, essentially, where you and your clients have an easy process of creating accounts, processing checkouts and transactions for all the different types of scenarios that you might want to engage or allow your customers to purchase, and then be able to actually deliver and execute on that in a way where it's easy for everybody and everybody can collect money and just make this process like not more difficult than it really needs to be. So I hope that made sense. I know that was kind of all over the place, but we're trying to structure some of this information so that way, you can kind of follow along in these guides and in real life where you're logged in and you can kind of follow along step by step. So if there's any problems, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can submit a support ticket via the dashboard. That's probably one of the best and quickest ways to get a response from us or our team. I'm really looking forward to seeing how you take advantage of this new flow, and we'll continue to make updates as needed to support all of your use cases. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.